whereas digital film scanner lets you view, edit and convert your old color and B&W negatives 135, 110, 126mm and 50mm slides 135, 110, 126mm to digital files and save directly to South Dakota card, not included. Features large, crystal clear screen with wide viewing angle for instantly previewing and editing photos, great for sharing with friends and family or using as an elegant digital picture frame in home or office. Quick feeding tray technology allows for continuous loading action, making scanning fast and simple. Includes 50mm slide holder, adapters for 135, 110 and 126 films, cleaning brush, USB and HDMI cables. Advanced capture software enhances, resizes and converts photos via easy scan button, no complex screens or settings. Easy options let you choose film type, adjust color brightness and assign date time. Device handles all your old slides and negatives, supports South Dakota or SDHC cards up to 32 GB, not included, and connects to any Type-C USB-enabled computer. Gorgeous design blends seamlessly with your home decor. Number 2. Kodak Scanza digital film. Powerful 1422MP Kodak film scanner converts old 35mm, 126, 110, Super 8 and 8mm negatives and slides to JPEG digital files. Note: the Scanza will not convert films other than 35mm, 126, 110, Super 8 and 8mm negatives. High definition built-in color display features adjustable brightness and convenient tilt for easy operation and image viewing. Unit arrives with multiple film inserts and adapters for fast, flexible operation. Big one-touch buttons allow for one-step scan and save. Includes helpful tray and insert directory. Easily edit image RGB and resolution. Browse gallery. South Dakota card not included. Supports up to 128 GB and more. Mac and PC compatible converter. Comes with USB power cable, HDMI cable, AC adapter, video cable and free film cleaning brush. Use the included brush to also clean the light box of dust and speckles to avoid marks on the scanned images. Number 3. Wolverine Titan 8-in-1 high-resolution film. Convert 35mm, 127, 1.5x1, 5, 126 kpk, 110, Advantex app slides and negatives into digital in 3 seconds. New large 4.3 color screen. NUTMI 2-out jack to view images on TV in high definition. Cable not included. Unique speed load adapters for fast loading slides and negatives. Standalone, no computer or software required. Included memory card size, 32.0 GB. With the unique fast loading slide adapter, you simply push the slides through the machine and press couple of buttons, and in 3 seconds the Titan convert your slides into digital images. Use it right out of the box to convert all your film by plugging it into an AC outlet or any USB port. All images are saved into its internal memory or direct to an optional South Dakota SDHC memory card, 32 GB max. Easily connects to any Windows PC or Mac to offload images or view on TV. Number 4. Zonus FS322MP all-in-one film. Zonus FS322MP all-in-one film and slide converter scanner with speed load adapters for 35mm, 126, 110 negative and slides. Super 8 films. Includes worldwide voltage 110V 240V AC adapter, blue. The Zonus FS3 is the perfect device to scan and organize your old films or slides. This scanner houses an incredible image sensor that converts every detail and color contained in your films and slides. See the clarity and details on 2.4 color screen. With our unique and easy-to-use built-in software, you can also increase your scanning quality to an amazing 22 megapixels. Within seconds, the image scanner will scan, convert and save your old films and slides. You can now preserve your memories forever. With our Zonus FS3 film scanner, you won't need anything else to get started. Using the film scanner is very easy with our intuitive design. Just load the film or slide onto the negatives or positives holder and insert into place. Once the image appears, press scan. It is that easy. Your image has been scanned and saved to the FS3's built-in memory. Items can also be saved to in South Dakota card, also sold separately. The Zonus FS3 also has some very convenient features like scanning resolution and brightness. You can also flip mirror images to eliminate some simple loading errors. This amazing and portable film scanner is all you need to convert your old films and slides into permanent memories. Number 5. 135 film slide scanner converts negative SLIDE and film. Converts film and slide to digital IMAGE 135mm or 35mm negative slide in computer with updated software within 2 seconds. Quick single pass scanning. No memory card required. With 183600 dpi interpolation resolution, it supports to save high-resolution images in your PC and edit a scanned image with the software and CD. System required. Windows XP Vista Windows 7 Windows 8 Windows 10 Mac. Powered by USB, no other additional power required. package included. USB film scanner, USB cable, software CD, negative film holder, positive slide holder, manual cleaning brush. To manually adjust the image brightness and color level, color R, G, B bar will show up on screen, and pulling the level bar to make adjustment. There are two kinds resolution that you can choose: 1800p and 3600p. The film size 135 24 36mm and 126 26 26mm are optional.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, to check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.